Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Honda Pilot key fob. Start by locating the emergency key slot and removing the metal key to access the fob case and battery. Open the case carefully with a flat tool and inspect the circuit board for corrosion or loose contacts. Replace the battery with the correct CR2032 cell and reseal the case firmly before testing the fob at the vehicle. Next, remove and replace the CR2032 battery while keeping the fob components organized on a clean surface. Use a small flat screwdriver to pry the case open, then clean both contact points with a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol. Allow contacts to dry fully, then insert the battery with the correct polarity and press the case halves back together until they click. Now we will reprogram the fob to the vehicle using the cabin steps and ignition cycles provided by the Honda sequence. Sit in the driver's seat, close all doors, and perform the ignition on and off pattern to enter programming mode. Press each fob button when prompted and watch for the door lock confirmation to verify success. If programming fails, try the sequence again or swap in another fob to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.